Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. It's one of the best congees in Hong Kong, and they've been around for over 60 years. So this is my first time to try the famous congee from the famous Nathan Congee Noodle House. So this restaurant has been around for about 60 years. My parents and two of my brothers came here years ago. This master chef working the noodles and the congee. The special congee, you just tell how rich it looks. And when you have some topping in there, I've got some beef. I was told this congee is so good you don't need to put soy sauce. So I can just tell by how rich and and the congee has a bit of a translucent color. So this is only achieved through slow simmering. You can't cheat with cornstarch to thicken the congee. It has to be naturally thickened by slow simmering. I see some slivered ginger in there. So the ginger adds a little sharp flavor. It's good. So it's nice and translucent with some liquid, and the rice is still partially formed. So you can see lots of tender sliced beef here. It's really nice and tender, large slices here. It's so hot. I'm impressed with how hot the congee is. Even though it's been sitting here for a few minutes, it's still hot. I can hardly put it in my mouth. And it's just done right. It's not too thick or too watery. Now it's time for my recipe for homemade congee that you can enjoy at any time of the day. You soak the rice overnight. We have about 2 cups of rice here. We soaked it overnight. So I'll rinse the rice a few times, and then I'm just going to put this right into the congee. So I got this big pot going with 20 cups of water in there. So next step, you're just going to put the rice into the water. So keep in mind when you soak the rice, it's going to expand. Adding pork bones and chicken bones will bring lots of flavor to your congee. Set the heat at medium high, so just bring that to a boil. So just take off the foam from the surface. So we do this several times. So I'm going to put the ginger in, so it's 3 pieces of ginger. Then we're going to simmer it low to medium for a total of 2 hours. So because it's so full, it might boil over. So the lid, when it's open like that, it prevents it from over boiling. So you can put less congee stock in there. So that way you don't have to worry about over boiling. You can use different kinds of toppings in your congee. Here we have some sliced beef, just like in the Nathan Congee Noodle House. So these are the 1,000-year-old eggs. They're actually duck eggs. There's some kind of alkaline reaction to make them turn black like this. When I was young, I thought they were actually 1,000 years old. You can add some green onions. So you can add whatever toppings you like. There you have it, a bowl of homemade congee with some of my favorite toppings. What are your favorite toppings? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for checking out my video, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button.